Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a Somali dessert called mush mush. You're going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of powdered cardamom, and just add them all into a bowl. Once you've added them all to the bowl and mix them up a little, add 2 cups of water and start mixing, and make sure you beat the mixture. This is the kind of consistency you're looking for. Make sure it doesn't get too watery. And now you just want to add some oil to a pan at medium heat. I'm using an old pan because this one's more familiar with the heat. After 2 to 3 minutes, you should see a pattern like this form at the top, or the sides become brown, and then you can add another batch and take it out. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and share. Happy holiday everyone. Bye.
ilaahay darajeeyay ubadka ku daadahshaan ilaahay darajeeyay ubadka ku daadahshaan ducada aamin ducada alloo aqbalo wajiib ducada aamin ducada